Guys, this next myth, myth number 5, is perhaps the biggest one in the bodybuilding and strength training communities. It's that you need 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight per day to maximize your muscle gains. Unfortunately, there's a huge amount of marketing and money behind this myth because supplement companies want you to believe that you need far more protein than you actually do. And as a result, you're going to end up buying their supplements. You're even going to hear that when you're cutting, you need 1.5 grams of protein per day per pound of body weight, and it's absolute rubbish. Unbiased studies have comprehensively proven that the absolute maximum amount of protein that you need per day is 0.82 grams of protein per pound of body weight. And any more than this is completely unnecessary. I've linked this video to a fantastic review of all these studies, and it goes into the science behind it and basically proves that there is no need to have any more than this. So the takeaway is this: whether bulking or cutting, you need no more than 0.82 grams of protein per pound of body weight per day. And the good news is that it's going to give you far more choice and flexibility when it comes to creating your nutrition plans, because when you realize, oh, I don't need to dedicate so many calories to protein, you're going to have far more calories available for healthy carbohydrates and healthy fats. So that's the myth. Forget about it. It's rubbish.